This is a demonstration of my Excel instrument index add-in. I encourage viewers of this video to scroll up and view my Excel data sheet uh, add-in demonstration. The buttons are much the same. This will be a shorter version. Uh, Again, first thing the user should do is load a project, and we'll load 1001, and it is loaded. And again, you can sync all of the index information from the database, and this uh, index will include all of the instruments for that project number 1001, including PSVs, temperature instruments, and pressure instruments. And we have the same worksheets, uh, sheet data with all of the data sheets for the PSVs, the temperature and the pressure instruments. And same for tag list, includes all instruments in the project. Uh, the rev is only for the uh, for this particular index, and the datasheet mapping uses the index mapping column. So for instance, datasheet is J11, and if we go here and we look at J11, that's the first data sheet in this column, and much the same for all the other columns. As you can see at the top, we've got sync to the database and sync from. We've got a print index and a section filter. And that ends my presentation for today. Thank you for viewing.